Alrighty guys, and we're all done, ready to go. Just finished it off, but look at this thing, beautiful 2025 GMC Ultimate, guys. This nice new color is very beautiful. I'm sure in the sun it pops a lot more, but looks really good. We completed the cab lights, done. We installed the new GMC emblem. As you can see, it is lighting up there. You got to remove all that stuff and run it along, and then tuck it away, and it goes plugged into one of your lights. So it's kind of hard to get in there, but me being a slim person, I can get in there, no problem. We can install those for you if you like, and we can do the cab lights. That's it for this one, guys. Thank you guys all for watching and supporting the YouTube channel. This gentleman, actually, he's waiting here. He found us on YouTube, like multiple customers. This customer also found me on YouTube, and it's been a blessing, man, for me that I've been able to install these cab lights on multiple trucks. And you know, I'm glad to help you guys, though. I mean, you guys are spending a lot of money on these trucks, and they don't come with cab lights. I think next time I would tell the dealer for them to pay for them, you know. But not even the dealer will install them. I had a couple of dealerships already contact me that they're interested in the service, but so far they've been coming in pretty good. You know, I know a couple of people at the dealer, and they refer them to me, and I take care of all their customers, and they seem to be pretty happy, you know. So for me, that's more than enough. As long as people keep spreading that word, and I keep trying to do my best to make your trucks look good. There it is, guys. Like I said, thank you guys all for tuning in. Stay tuned for some more videos, more stuff. Whatever you need, we got you covered. We're a small business here in the city of Corona. Small family-owned business, guys, all right? So support your local small business. Contact us today. We'll help you guys out. Peace.